In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a notes database in Notion. Start in Notion and open the page called Getting Started. This is a helpful place to begin because it is part of the default workspace and it makes it easy to access Notion resources without having to build everything from scratch. Once you are on the Getting Started page, look over to the left side navigation and click Explore. Explore is where Notion surfaces templates and inspiration, and it is the fastest way to pull in a ready-made notes setup that already includes a database structure. After you click Explore, you will be taken to the Template Marketplace area. Click into the search field at the top of the Marketplace page, then type Notes Database. As you type, Notion will start filtering results. Give it a moment so the full set of matching templates can load. From the results, click on the template named Notes. This opens the template page, where you can preview what you are about to add to your workspace. Take a quick second to scan the description and layout so you know what you are importing. This template is designed to act as a central place to capture, organize, and revisit notes. Now click Add to bring the template into your Notion workspace. If you see Add again, click it again to confirm. Notion may prompt you to choose where it should go depending on your workspace settings. Next, you will see a workspace selector. Click the option that shows your current workspace, such as a plan label like One Member, and then click your workspace name to confirm the destination. This ensures the notes database is added to the correct space, especially if you have access to more than one workspace. After that, click Notes from the options shown to open the newly added Notes page. You should now be inside your Notes database area, ready to start using it. Finally, click into the main Notes view on the page so it is active. This positions you to begin adding new entries, editing existing ones, and working within the database layout that came with the template. That covers everything you need to know.